So here's how to remove the page number from the cover page in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor on the left upper side to the insert button and then press on the insert. After that, if you go on the right side, then you will probably see this page number option. So you need to tap on the page number, and then from here you will probably see many kind of options. For the normal case, we will go with the bottom of the page, and then from here we will select the plain 3 number for the page number. So as you can see, we got a page number on the bottom right side corner, but what you can simply see that we have a page number on the first page, but we don't want that. So for that reason, you need to double click on the footer file. So here you need to double click on it like this. All right, and then from here you will see different first page option on the upper side. Then you need to select that one, and boom, there is now no page number on the first page. But if you scroll it down to the second page, as you can see, there is a page number on the right corner, and also for the third page. So that's how you can remove the page number from first page or like in the cover page in Microsoft Word. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.